Hello, my prepper posse. I know I haven't made a video recently. I'm sorry. I'm checking in though, because I just heard from some people that were like, hey, we're worried about you. I'm fine. I'm just doing, the planting. There's a tenant's cactus. So I painted a pot and put their cactus in it. And, yeah. I'm working on, right here, a water feature. So, this area, I've been digging the hole for the reservoir. And I'll make a water fountain out here. Trying to bide my time. And also, I'll just say I'm disgusted with what's going on higher up in this country. It's making me want to vomit. So, I'm saying it. I don't care. It's disgusting. Oh, dear Lord, help us. I've been peeking in at everybody's videos here and there, but for the most part, I've just been really busy. I brought Starlink out here and I tried it, and it works great. So I'm very happy about that. Can't wait to take it up to the bus. But again, everyone knows why I'm here. I'm getting there. I figure we should have everything paid off coming up here by September. That'll be a thrill. You remember when I cleaned up this tree, so we got rid of this other one. Ugh. We have to do something with this. I'm trying to make the courtyard look a little bit nicer. The e-bike is great. I'm having a great time, riding that thing. So anyway, I'm working a project, and I'll keep you, as I go, I'll keep you informed on this area. But it's going to be a bit. I got to do some shaping of the area. I hope everybody's doing fine. I'm okay. It's just a little disheartening. If you feel me, you feel me. But don't forget to play. See you.